How to delete your Signal account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are using Signal and want to permanently delete your account, then firstly open the Signal app on your device and sign in. Once you're inside, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile icon. Now from the pop-up, click Settings. Once you're inside the Settings menu, go ahead and tap on Account. Now after you are inside the Account tab, tap on Delete Account at the bottom. Go ahead and enter your phone number in the text box and finally click Delete at the top right. Click on Delete Account in the pop-up to confirm. Now after finishing the process, your Signal account will be deleted immediately. That's how you delete your Signal account. If you decide to use Signal again, you'll need to register your phone number again. So that's how you delete your Signal account in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.